Y'all see this little girl right here? This is a genius, a mastermind. Let me tell you how she got her brother and sister back, because they wouldn't give her the remote to the TV. See, she planned it. She wrote it down. She decided, okay, I'll just go outside and be on the Ring camera. That way, every time I ring the doorbell, it'll come up on the TV, and their program will be interrupted. And look at her. Just over and over. Look. One more time. I'm telling you. She's so smart. Look, one more time. Why not? She ain't gonna stop till somebody come outside. That's the way it go. One last time. Here we go. Look, she's staying a little longer that time. See if she hears somebody coming. Oh, nobody coming? Oh, ring it some more. And every time, the picture come up on the TV so they can't enjoy their program. But wait a minute. Look at her. She on the back by this time.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I guess he figured he'd just catch her in the act. If he stand on the porch long enough, she'd be back. But remember, I told him that last ring, she just went straight and set herself up with her daddy. Look. She do what she was doing. She ain't coming, Trajan. Give up.
I'm not playing.
What happened?
Mike, what? She keeps running to the front door. It keeps going off on my TV. Somebody's at the front door. Somebody's at the front door. Stop! I'm not playing.
Have you seen her do it?
Dad, you're not playing.
Do you see her at the front door?
Run to the front door, you know. I swear to God. Trying to play video games.
If he spank you, I'ma spank him.
I'm gonna spank him with my 2 belts.